As don't worry, she's never coming. How about that? Okay, fine. What you do from under the bridge, Peter? You know, I anyways. Anyways, happy Monday, happy President's Day, happy Canada, happy Family Day in Canada. Rubbish. Three out of Chinese cryptos. Yeah, China's doing some stuff about I don't know if this has anything to do with it though, right? So Hong Kong plans to let retail sector trade larger crypto tokens like Bitcoin. Well, I don't know if that has anything to do with it, but yeah, maybe. But yeah, I mean, this is only the last 24 hours though, right? So FSX up 55 and then STX 45, Neo, and then of course the hot trades coin is up 20%. I feel like we should just buy this because it's an HT coin. Not sure what they do, but yeah, it's not cheap either though, is it? It's not. But this thing's always on here because we always talk about it. And in vets, 4 out of 5, yeah. No. So, so you take it from them. Let's go. Hey yo, Robert. Hey yo, hey yo, hey yo. Hi Jeff. Hi D. Hi Stuart. I'm downloading the. So we might do it tonight again. The game is still in the process of 13 minutes left, so still downloading, and then maybe we can do a Illuvium gaming stream tonight. Alrighty. Ayo Joe, happy Monday. Hi Josh, happy Monday. Hi Doug. Hi guys. Waves. A crypto rally video. Just like the old days, Dogecoin to the moon. Well, Dogecoin really isn't moving, is it? That's Dogecoin, by the way. You want to see what Dogecoin is doing in this whole thing? Nothing. Yeah, Asia. Yeah. Oh, okay. They are us too. Okay. That's Dogecoin, by the way. This little bubble that's red, obviously, that's Dogecoin right there. Followed, that's Shiba as well. They're both red. Red is what they are. So, anyways, Bitcoin's had an amazing week, though, hasn't it? Right? I mean, that's 15% for BTC and ETH, and BNB with 10%. XRP. Oh, that's not bad actually. Doge is up 8.5% for the week. That's not bad. Solana is up 30% for the week. Solana is up 30%. Wow. Why is that bubble so small then? Okay, that's because of market cap. Okay, cool. Anyways, yeah, that's a 30% rally for Solana. XRP is up 9%. Hmm, cool. ADA is up 15. Cool. Anyways, those are gains. Peter says, yeah, boy. Peter, are you back? Are you back to almost green on your Solana? Outdoors, hello. Happy Monday. It's an exchange. Oh, okay. Okay, I've never looked into it, Stu. Never, ever. But it's always on here. So yeah, 20%. Cool. It's the of Asia. Yo. Uh, they have a crypto exchange wallet and AABB. Oh, Stewart doesn't do that. Stewart doesn't do that. Anyways, let me take a look at Bitcoin in terms of like just technical analysis. Obviously, we're kind of failing at 25. Like it's not a surprise level. We haven't closed a daily candle above 25,000 yet, so that's a bit of a problem, isn't it? It looks good though, right? Other than the fact that we're still stalling at 25s, BTC looks fine. I'm gonna put a line just across 25 here. If we can close a daily candle above 25, right there, right there ish, right? I mean, you look at these candles. This is what is this? 3, 4. That's 5 days. Siri, not today, please. I'm not talking to you. Go away. Why are you pretending like you're not hearing? Siri, go away.
Okay.
Oh, what do you mean? Okay, okay. Like what's this rubbish? Anyways, again, right? That's 5 daily candles now that we're struggling to close above 25. So if we can eventually close above 25, then okay, cool, right? So maybe that rally to 30. We get ready for a rally to 30, right? So let me zoom out a bit here. Yeah, so 25, and then you're kind of looking for, like, yeah, as close to 30 as possible, between 28.5 and 30, right? So that would be the next wall for BTC there. But yeah, so 25 and then close to 30,000. Hey, yo, DR, good morning. Is yeah, doing well. How are you? How are you? How are you? Yeah, we will do a crypto stream, and hopefully, I don't know, we'll see if that game is downloaded in time here. If it is, then we can try and play it. What I was looking for, Stu, when I was watching that interview, I was looking for like the storyline, to see if there was a storyline. Hey, yo, Lorenda, good to see you too. I was looking for a storyline, and it just seems like they're keeping it a secret. Seems like there's a lot of secrets, which is cool, right? So I think like what most people know for now is that that plane crashes, in that island, and then you have to kind of, yeah, capture whatever they call them, illuvios or something. Yeah, it's cool. Yeah, yeah. So we'll see. I mean, again, if we fail, right? So Bitcoin is failing on the key levels, Peter, and so is the S&P, right? So that's Bitcoin failing at 25 for 5 days now. And then let me take a look at, what? Let me zoom out quite a bit here on BTC. I just want to see what's up. Yeah, so 25, 25s. Man, look that beautiful double bottom. We had a beautiful double bottom, and beautiful, 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 beautiful bottoms there at 16, which is all we wanted. Nope, didn't take it. Anyways, and then let me take a look at Spy here really quickly. Posted a Spy chart in Discord. And Spy is a similar story. Right. So Spy almost looks like a T-Rex, doesn't it? Ooh la la. Ooh la la, Spy. Ooh la la. Looks like a T Rex, right? Oh, curl to the bridge, right back down to. Okay, no, that's the wrong Spy. I was getting all excited. That's the wrong Spy, by the way. I. Okay, that's Spy of that's Spy of Spy of Argentina. I don't know how that even came up on my thing. What is that? What is going on there? Why? For some reason, I. Okay, there we go. Okay, cool. Never mind. Anyways, just waiting for that to load there, and then let me pull up the weekly here for Spy, because that's kind of what looks better to show you guys. Right. So obviously we've legalizing it. It's easy to. Yeah, exactly. When is the AI? Valerium dude on a for roast. Valerium. I don't. I oh ow. Oh, I don't know, honestly. Cause Sunny said he was going to his house. I never heard anything back. I don't think, right. So just kind of waiting, Stuart, waiting to see. Anyway, so again, that's the S&P on a downtrend, right? So again, this is the weekly, and we failed a few times. This is the over the last year or so, right? Fail on that downtrend, and then eventually broke above it at 400s, right? That was kind of a signal that the market wanted to go up. And we know 415, 416, big level, and we've been struggling at that level for a bit now, right? The entire week, it's been 3 weeks now. It looks like, right? You look at these last three weekly candles here for Spy, right? 3 weeks, and we've been struggling with this 415, 416 level, right? So struggle bus, struggle bus, struggle bus. The question is, if we eventually close above like that 416 level, 415, or Spy is gone. So is Bitcoin. Bitcoin says thank you very much for not buying the dips. See you at 30K is what's gonna happen, right? So SPY, oh, it's gone, right? So, but if again, if we fail to break above that 416s, I think again for me the I would be thinking we come back and at least retest 400s, right? So at least come back and retest 400s, right? So 400s versus 416s. Which way do we go? You're liking that inverse head and shoulder, aren't you, on the weekly? Unbelievable. Unbelievable. I don't see it. I don't see it, Joe. All I see is blood. I want to see a fat red candle, is what I want to see. It's been a while since we had a red candle on the weekly, hasn't it? Anyways, right? So, yeah, we'll see. We'll see how the next week plays out, right? So, yeah, sure. Nice week, nice weekly inverse head and shoulder there. Um, and yeah, so if we can break above that level, it's gone, right? So can we talk about CRK? Mm. No, no, because there really isn't a whole lot I'm gonna say. Jeff, um, you know, CRK, like because I'm going to be buying it at 4 a.m. No, like again, we talked about it last week, right, and the week before that, and then, right. So we've talked about it quite a bit. Um, and and it's most likely going to gap up tomorrow because it's gapping up. I think it's up something ridiculous. It's up quite a bit in on the German exchange because they don't have a holiday, right? So that's a problem for you. Um, Bear market rallies last 6 weeks. This is now the eight. Interesting. So feel the next couple of weeks will determine whether Q1 has more pumpage or dips incoming. I think so too, Hugh. I think so too. Stuart, I think so too. Right. So 6 week is what you're saying. That's how. Okay. Let me take a look at BTC on the weekly here. So that is 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 6. Yeah, eight. Okay, that's for SPY. And then let me take a look at Bitcoin here. So most bear market rallies last 6 weeks. So BTC. Two, 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 two. Yeah, I see what you're looking at. 8 weeks of pumping. My goodness. You like the RSI better? To T20? Rubbish. Rubbish. Um, yeah, I honestly would not be surprised then. Yeah, because I mean, you kind of look across to here, Stu. Right, this last little rally on this weekly candle, right? That was a fail at 25, 25 3, 25 4, right? So, and that's the exact same spot we're fitting at. Like if I put up a horizontal line here, right? That same spot is the same spot we're kind of double topping at there for BTC, right? So yeah, we'll see. What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? We wanted to do a gaming stream, like a new beta game we got. But there's 2 minutes left here. It's still downloading. So if it's not downloaded in time, then we will just do it tonight. And yeah, what's happening? So yeah, we're just talking about Bitcoin and whatnot for a bit here. So, anyways, again, yeah. So that double top at 2025 to 25.4. Yeah, we'll see. Right. Week number 8. I mean, these are some really nice weekly candles too, Stuart. So yeah, we'll see how this week plays out. And again, what's the game? Um, it's called Illuvium. Let me see if I can pull up one of those videos again here. One of those videos. It's cool. I like it. Yeah, there's 2 minutes still left. Two. Ooh, download for Mac. Close it out. I'm just looking for a link there. Hey everyone. That's not what I want, is it? Yeah, no. I'll just let it download there, and then we should be good to go, Michelle. And then yeah, we can take a look. Hey yo, Mr. Chairman, happy off day Monday. You filthy animals. Hey yo, hey yo. Who, Josh or Robert? will be sparked to see where we are headed. Yeah, I think so too. Right. So I think so too. Let me pull up the Fed calendar here. There's one posted in Discord already. There's one posted in Discord. So this is February, week of the 20th is what I'm looking for. So this week on Wednesday, right? So we have FOMC minutes. I hate these things because there's never anything new with these, right? And no one's really, well, the Fed really isn't speaking on that day. It's just the minutes come out to kind of go over the last meeting, right? So it causes volatility in the market for no reason. So yeah, anyways, again on Wednesday, right, we will have volatility with these minutes coming out. I won't be doing that again. What did you do? What happened? I won't be doing that again. It sounds like that gift, Michelle. No thanks. Won't be doing any of that. So Jeff doesn't have days off. Yeah, you had 53 points. That's it. I had 58 points. 58 points. 58. It's not bad. I think it's a green arrow, right? Oh, no crypto? Really? What happened? What happened, Michelle? What happened? Oh my god. What happened? Did you get wrecked? Were you diamond heading? Uh, okay. Is it done downloading him? Let's see here. Oh yeah. Uh, la 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 la. Where's my game? Mm, dips, dips, downloads. La 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 la. Search. Uh, oh wait. I think it's because I'm streaming, so it just goes to a different spot. La, 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 la. I was watching that video and it was like an hour long video, Stuart. And it was really good. It was very very good. That's not it. Oi. I don't know it. Okay, there we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Mm-mm. I think it's taking its long time. It's taking its time to open up. You are shortening. SafeMoon 2.0 to the moon. Stop it. Stop it. Anyways, just waiting for it to load here. Mm-mm. Keep. That thing is taking its time. Is it on here? You can see it bouncing at the bottom, right? Like it's yeah, I think it's just bouncing at the bottom there. Cannot be because the developer cannot be verified. It tells me it's loading like that because the developer cannot be verified. Um, Illuvium cannot be opened because the developer cannot be verified. Are you kidding me? Are we playing Jackbox there losing money on a crypto rug pull? You are? What did you buy? What did you buy that you're getting rug pulled on? Click of the Jeff? Yeah. Open as an admin. Can I do that? Can you see this? So that's what it tells me. But it doesn't give me an option to like to open as a like anything like that. And then here is so here's what it says though, right? Here's what it says. Uh it says a protection against like malware or something. Move it to trash. Na 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 na. It doesn't give me another option though to just open it. That's annoying. I might have to play with this and then we actually play tonight then. If it's not working. DM. Okay, sounds good. Mhm. Yeah, no, exactly. Yeah, Stuart. Yeah, no, that's exactly what I did, and then I put in the code and then downloaded, and then it's done downloading, like Overworld, and yeah, right. So done downloading. Yeah, so it's done downloading, and then I go to click on it, and then it opens up, and then it sends me that message, like that's the game at the bottom there. That's at the very bottom here. That's the game. Like it's done downloading. But then it says it doesn't want to open up because the developer cannot be verified. Is it because like it's just a beta still or what? You cannot have malware. You won't have malware? No, it says it doesn't want to open this because it's protecting me from malware. But I want to play this game. It's fire. Like the game is fire. Um, hmm. Um, la 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 la. Activity notes reminders. Hmm. So, as a human, you're too short. Peter, you really want violence, don't you? That's not what I want either. No, 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 no. I'm gonna have to see if I can read. So that's the game though. Yeah. So the plane crashes, right? So the plane crashes on this island, right? So savage, right? So the plane crashes on this island. So this is it's a game, and there are more games to this, right? These guys have developed more games, but then so the plane crashed on like this island, and then that's kind of where like it goes from there. So they have a crypto project as well, so it kind of ties into crypto, right? So I think it's at 80 something dollars, right? Yeah, and then kind of sets the storyline. I was hoping they would give us more storyline. Big voice only, yeah. He's not tall enough to ride the beta. I know, like unbelievable. They told me I'm not tall enough to ride the beta version. Um, right? So I think what's her name again, Stu? Like Allen something, something with an A and an L. So it's cool. Um, oh, Ceci? Oh, Ceci is Ceci, isn't it? Right. So and yeah, there's more to that, and there's the arena, then there's the alluvium, something alluvium land, and that's where you get gas from. Alluvium zero. There's so many other things. Why did it crash? Was my boyfriend? I don't know. Something was going on there, but and then the stages, right? So you can kind of go through the stages, and yeah, that's cool. Not yeah, no, that's the crypto itself, not the game. So like clearly, no, I know. No, I mean the like the special character for the beta version of Illuvium. It was some Alan or something. And then yeah, Al is Valorium or whatever that is. Do I like Matic? True nature? Yes, I like Matic. Matic put me in the chokehold submission, and I submitted. So yes, I like Matic. Yeah, there you go. So, anyways, yeah, I will. Yeah, it's still giving me the same error there, Stuart. I will see if I can like cancel it and then like re-download it and then like play with it, and then if it works, then we can do it tonight. Oh, there's a tutu. Okay, cool. No, that's cool. I like it. I like it. It's still trying to open up here, isn't it? Yeah, it's trying to. I should buy Matic? Well, that sounds kinky. No, like Matt, like Michelle, I don't know what to tell you. Like, it's too late for Matic, isn't it? Right. So what's Matic at here? It's too late. Um, Matic's Matic. Matic is at $1.50 now. Like it's too late, right? So Matic, this is the weekly. I mean, look at the daily for Matic. Matic has to be like one of the strongest projects. I mean, like Matic says, "Hey, double bottom 75 cents," and writes you $1.50. It's struggling at $1.50 now, so that might almost be a shorts picture in your head. Pictures in your head. What are these pictures in your heads? What are these pictures? Anyways, yeah, no, Matic found a bottom at 75 cents and then rallied to 150. So it's been impressive. Actually, $1.56 is what it hit. Matic is an absolute monster. And it's early if you want 100x. I mean, we had these conversations. You don't want to know. Oh my god. Oh, I would only buy if it retraces. I would only buy Matic if it retraces. Especially with Spy sitting at resistance, Bitcoin sitting at resistance, Matic struggling at $1.50. I would need a dip for Matic. I think Matic is a nice long-term project, right? I mean, Matic is one of the best performers here over the last little bit, right? So yeah, um, like I would yeah, for me, I think it needs a dip. It almost looks like it's gonna dip here now with that little doji reversal candle looking thing. It looks like it's gonna dip there, but yeah. So, um, I should buy it now then. Michelle, Michelle buys. You need to short it because it's the tops. It's the tops. What do you guys? What's like? So what do you guys do in President's Day? Do you just sit at home and yeah, BTC is looking weak. Yeah, to me, it looks like we're gonna dip at some point here. So. Again, like Bitcoin is sitting at that 25K resistance level. So no surprise that we're stalling here, right? So day five of 25K walls, right? So yeah, so I would be careful here now. And if Bitcoin breaks above again 25K, it's gone. Like if it breaks and stays and closes a daily candle above that level, 130, right? And I think it would only do that. I don't think Bitcoin's going to do that this weekend. Like it's not going to close above 25K without the markets opening and closing above to like 415s and 416s, right? So Bitcoin is going to keep waiting. It's going to play games up and down. It's in the same range that SPY is in, right? So it's not going anywhere until the markets open. Uh, Sit at home must be nice. No, I'm just wondering. It's yeah, happy family day. Thank you, Lynn, man. Same to you. Is the future of Dex order book trading Zion? Zionist? Yeah. So no, I was just wondering. if you guys had a holiday, if you had like if you obviously have a holiday, but like what this holiday was for, other than just yeah, because it just seems like one of those holidays that is nice to stay home, for some of you, right? For Happy Family Day, yes. Today is a holiday for Family Day. Yeah, it's a holiday, Stuart. It's called Family Day. And, he's spending 500 billion today. Don't worry, more incoming. D. Uh, so I'm being forced to work. Jeff, you deserve it. What happened to the music? Let me get a new playlist, Tim. A new playlist. Yeah, I really wish we could. I really wish we could be playing that game right now. That's annoying. That's annoying. That's what that is. Mm, that's annoying. Ayo, Dan. Ayo, ayo, ayo. Banks may be closed today, but your services are in. That's you at work. Yeah, you're working as well. Well, Dan is off today. The kids are at home, so Dan is also at home. How are you, Dan? How are you? How are you? Giovanni says, just curious why talking about Pendle. It's been blowing up the last 3 months. Not a word from anyone. Pendle. What's Pendle? Is that what's the symbol? Pendle. I've never heard of Pendle. So the to say hello, you're having a wonderful weekend. I am Dan. How's yours? How's yours? Mhm. La, 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 la. It was coming up with we'll see if I can get it resolved. It says so when I click on it, when I open up the app, it sends me a message saying this is the error. It says Illuvium for Mac cannot be opened because the developer cannot be verified. Mac OS cannot verify that this app is free from malware, is what they're saying, right? So I think it's just because we're downloading the beta version, which is what's available, but you know, because it's not released yet. So maybe they haven't quite gone through the process of getting it. Uh, Pendle. Yeah. So Pendle's at 18 cents. Cool. Cool. Uh, you said it's up what over the yeah again yeah that there it is. Yeah, Pendle's done well. I mean, like the last 3 months here, it's gone from what from 4 cents. Nice. Wow. Hopefully you're in it at least, Giovanni. Right. Hopefully you're in it. Right. 4 cents to double tops at wherever we are now. Right. So yeah, not bad. Hopefully you're in it from 4 cents to that. That's impressive, right? So I'll be watching a lot. Let's go, Dan. So a carefree week this week. No, all schools are out. The US this week. Oh, let's go, let's go. What is the market cap? Let's see here. Na 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 na. 30, 38, 36 million. So it's not a massive project. I'm just not sure what it is, or let me see if I can pull up stuff here about it. I mean, it seems like it's done really well, but Pendle, yeah, it doesn't seem to have a massive like. Interesting. I don't know, sure how I feel about that. You've had it the last 4 months. Well, congratulations, nice, very nice. Pendle. I don't want that. Assets. I mean, this already looks better than Stewart's. Can you do some crypto AF? Sure. What's your position? Let me know. This looks better than what is it called again? No names needed. Buy assets at a discount. Assets giving you better prices than those on any exchange. Interesting. Uh, okay. 350 million. Na na na. Na 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 na. That's cool. Into separate principal components for maximum control. Blah blah blah. I mean, sure. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Let me take a look at Twitter. Pendle. I mean, at least Pendle has more followers than this is surpassing like Pendle isn't a big project. It's nothing like interesting. Do I know who Aaron is? Aaron? It says followed by Aaron. So do I follow Aaron? Maybe. Aaron is a crypto person. Na 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 na. Uh oh. Uh oh. Oh. Mm. Mm. Um, what's the best firm to buy crypto on? In my opinion, probably Binance. Binance. If the sun is too hot, then we go at night crypto F. Yes, that is true. Yes, I mean it's always better to go at night, anyways, right? So, yes, we do go at night. Mm, 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 mm. I mean, you can kind of tell why this thing doesn't have a big community. Honestly, it just seems like one of those niche projects, which is cool, but it's not massive yet, um, right? So, yeah. So yeah, 200 million. Yeah, it's not bad. I mean, that's the same. I think that's the same thing on like on Coin Market Cap here, right? Yeah, 200 million. Right. So, mm, I wonder they actually have charts on TradingView here, Pendle. Let me take a look. Bitcoin is still again. I don't think Bitcoin's actually going to close above $25,000. It's on all those like. Where did you buy this thing on? Where'd you buy this thing on? For 20% discount. How is it possible or sustainable? I don't know. I don't know. It seems like one of those projects, you know. It's yeah. So buy assets at a discount. Huh, interesting. Buy split any yield bearing asset into separate yield and principal components for maximum control. Hmm. I I leave the ship a couple seconds and look what you have done. Oh, Musty, we are here to cause chaos. You know, we want to see volatility. Traded against BTC on Binance. No idea. No idea. What's this? Uh, Wide Web investor Tim calls crypto dangerous. I have you guys have seen that video? Let me see if I can find it actually. Let me see if I can find that video. Uh, I don't know if I will though. So it's a different story. December, no, 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 no. Yeah, Queens to be precise. Mm. Na, 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 na. Queens. I Obviously that text is a scam, right? That text says, "Hi, my name is Molly. Have you forgotten about me?" That's the text I got. It's a scam. Um, this- so I've never been to the States. So some lady says, "Hi, my name is Molly. Have you forgotten about me?" Uh, like, well, no, I have not forgotten about you because I don't know who you are. And like, yeah, we had coffee at a Plaza Cafe near New York City, New York, Queens, or whatever. Like, hey, I heard you're back in Canada. Like, what do you mean? He did, and on Coinbase. Okay, interesting, interesting. No, 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 no. Beyond the Valley. This. No, 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 no. When they receive blah 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 blah. It's really dangerous. Which is purely isn't what you want to spend the time on. No, 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 no. It's not blockchain, suggesting the technology isn't fast or secure enough. Interesting. Interesting. Oh well, we're here for the monies. Nah, 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 nah. Fluky. Like honestly, these I don't know what to think of these coins anymore, like Fluky and things like that. Yeah, I mean they're gonna be pump and dumps, right? Fluky is not a project that is even dogelon. Yeah, same thing though, right? Same. Like these things are fun to play with, but it's pumped hard the last month. Yeah, right. So I wonder if they actually Fluky. Yeah, Fluky pushed to resistance and then backed off. Is that the daily? Yeah, in the red zone there. So I think had a beautiful rally. Even dropped a zero? No, I don't think. No, no zeros dropped. I mean, it's red today, right? So really, oh. I would like to add some ATM. Any idea of where pullback? Let me take a look. La, 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 la. Mm, any idea of where? Um, that looks like a nice little cup and handle, doesn't it? Right. So something like this here. La la la, something like that. We had a nice, beautiful double bottom. um, right? Bottom number one, bottom number two at 850s, yeah, 850, $879. So that would have been really nice. It does seem to have a double top at $15 here, so that's a problem, right? So your current average is $10, $11. That's not too bad. That's not bad at all. You're in all the way down here, right? So $11. So you're good to you're fine, right? So it looks like a nice cup and handle. My only concern with this is how close it is to resistance, right? So I would honestly just wait right? Wait till 0.00004, right? I would wait, right? So I mean, we just talked about the fact that Bitcoin is sitting on resistance, SPY is sitting on resistance. A lot of these projects are sitting on resistance. This has also found a bit of resistance at $15 to 1550, right? So double tops, triple tops, right? So I would either just wait for that thing to come back down, delete that, right? Come back down and retest something lower and consolidate, right? So BTC Dipski, or would suggest losing into yeah, okay, there you go, right? So I would wait, or just let that thing break this resist altogether at 1550 then, right? So Bitcoin is the bottom is 15,000. Dogecoin is 4.5. Um, uh, so maybe take profits. I mean, it kind of depends what your goal is with the project, though, right? Like Stuart said, to look into the ecosystem. Stuart, do you not like it? Do you not like it? Okay. Well, so it depends your reasoning for buying into this in the first place. Like if it's a long term hold, then again you might want to do that research, and then it's a long term hold. I would give it a second. Right. But again, like this, if it's a scalp, then there's nothing wrong with taking profits here. And then if it breaks above 15, you can always get back in or get back in on a dip, right? So it's just sitting in an area where it's like indecision, right? It could either dip or it could rally from here, right? So that's why I say wait, because again, I'm not sure, right? You think it's going back to $30? Okay, here you go. La, 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 la. Yeah, no, there's just Loretta, there's just resistance here, right? So again, it's not really an area that I would want to add. And if you're selling, I'm not quite sure either, um, right? So long term. Nah, 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 nah. Let me take a look at XRP here, and then I want to take a look at Solana as well. XRP's been one of the. I mean, XRP's held up quite for, like a lot better than most, right? So for the most part, 30 cents has been a nice bottom, right? Usually when this thing gets to 30 cents, holds, right? A lot of these projects have hit new lows. XRP's held 30 cents, which is impressive actually, and then bounced back to 40, and then resistance at 40. Not the value, much better upside. Um, not crypto more upside in in others. Okay, there you go. Yeah. Yeah, it's hardly moved. Yeah, it's been in the same range as Stewart, right? So between 30 and 40 cents, right? So bottoms at 30 cents, resistance at 40 cents there. It's failed here and then failed there again. So just again to the bottom, to the top, to the bottom, to the top, to the bottom, right? So just up and down in a really tight range. I honestly, people are just kind of exhausted with all that's going on. Having all time high since 2018. Yeah, that's because they've had issues for a long time though, right? I think people are just getting tired of all this. Oh yeah, lawsuit. This that's getting. We're getting close, and nope. I mean, we're in 2023 already. What's the next? People just don't care anymore, right? Until it either gets dropped or yeah. So, are you worried about Shibarium in a bunch of this game? Richmond, very. Am I worried about it for Shiba? No, because I really don't think it's gonna be. It's one of those things where like I'll see it when I believe it. I like, yeah, not really worried about it. I will see when it comes out and then see what the project's reaction is to the project, right? So to the game itself. Yeah, like when a project is like 0.000000000 whatever, you just kind of see, you just there's really it's a gamble. It's a nice gamble, right? Um, it's nice that they're working on something. Really doesn't matter to me though, because it's a gamble, right? So to me, it's more just talk until I see them dropping zeros, and then with a lot of people are feeling it's more limited than layer ones, for example. Okay. That makes sense. Joe's favorite project, HNT, since he's been mining it, mining. I mean, HNT had a nice double bottom too, right? Had a beautiful double bottom. They had $1.50, Joe, and then doubled after that. Wow, really? $1.50 to $3, really? I'm surprised this thing, like, crypto is the only space where like a coin will say, you know what, I don't know if I can call it bankruptcy. Well, you can call it bankruptcy, where like they have issues on issues on issues and issues, and yet they're still you can still go up 100%. No, no, no. What's the? That's what this is. All a gamble, right? Yeah, for the most part, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. I mean, big thrust energy. Let's go, virus. And yeah, no, most of this is a gamble, right? Um, as much as there are cool projects behind most of these, like behind most of these coins, yeah, still that element of like massive risk, right? When you invest in anything crypto. So yeah, I agree. I agree with that. I'm always sus on HNT rallies. I mean, like it's crazy. That thing went from $1.50 to $3. There's levels to these gambles, though. No, absolutely, absolutely, Stuart. I agree. Right. So I mean, when you buy a Shiba, for example, I mean, like the price should tell you the price should tell a story, right? So that it's a massive gamble, whereas when you invest in something that's a little bit more like proven and there's big monies behind it, and then okay, cool, less of a gamble, but still, right? So yeah, I agree. Yeah, yeah, yeah. What are you looking at, crypto F? Blur. That doesn't seem right. Where did you get into Blur at? Let me know. Where did you get it at? Blur is not a new project, is it? No, no, no. Blur. That market cap is what? That's 3.6 billion. 3.6 billion. Hmm. Um. Man, yeah. But like, what price did you get in at? Crypto F. People gambled on BTC when it was at 60 plus thousand and lost. They gambled and lost. Yeah. Like I am just thinking of like we back in the day, Shazella. Back in the day when Bitcoin was at $69,000, the conversation was so different, and right. So yeah, not yet. You only lose if you sell. They have they lost if it goes to 100K. Yeah, you only lose if you sell. But like you go back a few months when Bitcoin was $69,000. The conversation was but that's just the same in any situation though, right? So we were extremely bullish, right? The conversation was by end of the year, what do you expect to see? 100? Oh yeah, 150s, 200s, 1 millions, right? Like, it's just so different. And then now people would we're talking about, oh, when are we going back to $16,000, right? So 6 days ago, yeah, that's why that thing is yeah, I can see that now. I mean, that thing again, this is just like every other crypto project, honestly. What price did you get in? That thing was at $5 on day one, $6, and then crashed all the way to 75 cents. You've been scalping it? Okay, nice. I mean, it's a brand new project, so the volatility might be nice, but other than that, um, yeah, it looks like it's finding a range and it's giving you some nice higher lows on these candles, so that's cool, right? So if that thing can break above $1.40 there, it might be actually be really nice, right? So yeah, yeah. So I mean, scalping this volatility as a new project is not bad at all, right? So It looks okay here. Not sure what the again not don't know a whole lot about this project, but just looking at the technicals itself, right? It looks like you're getting some nice little higher lows on these candles, and that's important, right? So higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. So as long as that thing maintains that, that's okay, right? Your first resistance will be like $1.40 here, and if you can break that level, then okay, cool. You're in like you're no man's land here in a good way. If that thing breaks below $1 though, that's a massive problem, right? Below $1, no thank you. It's a challenge OpenSea. There was a massive airdrop for it. Oh, okay, cool. NFT platform. Okay, that's cool. Uh, that's cool. Blur. Cool. NFT. So they want to challenge OpenSea. Second biggest NFT. Interesting. That's cool. Right. Again, for me though, right, that thing kind of needs to find support above $1, and then reclaim $1.40, and then you might be sitting in a good spot. I always find it interesting though when these projects come up with all that excitement and hype. I mean, that thing was at $5. If you FOMOed into this thing anywhere like $2, $3, yeah, you're in trouble, right? You're praying that it consolidates above $1 here. So yeah, oh well, blur. Huh, interesting. Na, 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 na. That's what the hourly is better. No, for sure, for sure, for sure. For sure, for sure. Just because you get more data, anyways, right? So, yeah. I mean, even this looks the same though, right? Higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. So that's nice to see, right? And then same resistance, right? Your next level of resistance, same level, right? So 140 there, 140, and then once you break 140, again, there's really no room. There's really nothing else until you start pushing for those previous highs, right? So, yeah. So not bad. Anyways, back to BTC here. It looks like we're kind of rebounding from those lows from the bottom. So Musty's happy with that. The 1 second chart, Michelle. Do you actually use that? You actually use the 1 second chart? Like like why? What do you get from the 1 second chart for anything? I know people say that all the time. Like I'm using the 1 second chart for this for that. Um, but we need to do that once on stream. 1 second, the 1 second chart, and see if we can actually. She does. uh, really? What do you get from that? Like, can you actually identify anything for 1 second chart for your for my damn farmer stocks? I yeah. You don't even have day trades, so I don't know what you do with the 1 second chart, Michelle. You sell before the crash. You can still get that from the 1 minute, right? Rubbish. Yes, you can. Yeah, I've never used it. Like I look at it, but I've never used it. 1 second is for short attention spans. Does Michelle have a short attention span? Michelle, do you have a short attention span? Maybe. Anyways, yeah. No, again, your next resistance is $25,000 there for Bitcoin, right? So I would watch that level closely and then go from there. There you go. Yeah, almost looks like a nice little cup and handle there, but yeah, ignore that. So I don't think Bitcoin's gonna go anywhere today, right? No, it's not gonna go anywhere. Not without the markets, right? So we can rally to resistance, but that's about it. So don't expect anything special on a holiday Monday, right? So uh, for uh, for Bitcoin today, let me see here. I was trying to re-download it, Stu, just to see if that would make a difference. See, that would make a difference. It's still giving me the same error, so I will play with it later. See if we can get a different outcome there. See, maybe it's something that I did wrong in the way that I downloaded it. You know. Hey yo, my call. Hey, new follower. Hello. We be ranging. Yeah, we're just gonna be ranging for BTC them and for anything else, right? So let me take a look and see if anything showed up here that's new. In the last 5 minutes here, red. Oh, the hot trades coin, the hot trades exchange is still green. And then FTT, every time this is green, it just like I'm just surprised. FTX is green. That's still so surprising to me. Um, what? Uh, what is the indicator calling out bonds RSI strength, Michael? It's an indicator that's that we run the streets. Come on, Stuart. It's an indicator that you're talking about this indicator here, right? So that's calling out bottoms and tops, right? So double bottoms and resistance. That's an indicator that one of our criminals developed, right? So it's not a free indicator. It's not a BJ indicator either. It's not, Michelle. Uh, your general IT toolkit is embarrassing. uh, I was told there'd be a squeeze. Good morning. Hey yo, Hugh. A squeeze? No squeeze today. No squeeze. Well, I mean, there have been a few squeezes. So the last 15 minutes here, yeah, that's there goes blur. No, Stuart. Honestly, that's the first time I'm hearing about blur. Interesting. Blur. Oh well, whatever. You had to ask. Do you think? Okay, there you go. Yeah, no, yeah, it's not a free indicator. Otherwise, everybody would have it. I think so. It's if you want to buy it, let me know. But yeah, it's cool. I like it. I like it. I like it. Let me take a look at the daily on with that indicator on here. See if we can catch the bottoms. Are we getting a sell signal? Not quite yet, right? So we had a buy signal from that indicator at on this candle, right? Yeah, and then if we go to the very bottom, right? So we got a buy signal right there on that indicator at 16. That's 16.5, right? Right there. There was a buy on this candle, and then another signal on that candle. So yeah, right. So and then we rallied and rallied and rallied and rallied. We haven't had a sell signal yet, have we? No, we had a sell signal on this candle at 24,000. And then we dipped all the way back down here to 2021.6, and then another buy signal. And then we're still pushing with resistance at 25K there. So, no, this is the daily ace. What's that short thing on the screen? Oh, wait, that's your video. Unbelievable. When Blur was airdrop, interesting. And unless at the moment, yeah. No, I'm on the daily. I'm gonna switch back to the 1 minute though. Back to the 1 minute because I like the 1 minute there. Again, like we're just gonna be range bound here. I really wish we could be playing that game right now, but oi 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 oi. Because there's really not a whole lot to talk about when everything is just going sideways, unless you guys have questions and things to look at. But la 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 la. What can I do differently here? So overworld support arena, Illuvium arena. La la la. You know what's crazy, Stuart? Like I watched that video for like an hour, and it wasn't really like I like they still need to come up with more and like actually launch the project, but it was interesting, that's for sure. Um, and yeah, the drone was also very cool. Like how you can upgrade the drone and then it brings you back to like that's cool. Um, you have a question? What's your final? My final thoughts. My final thoughts are we need to crash. Oh yeah, currently on um, I can get some answers. Okay, sounds good. Oh, you are in the Discord. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, I don't know if they did anything different than I am doing. Um, yeah, because I just clicked on download, and then it downloaded it, and then like when I go to open it, maybe I need to like find a way to override it, right? So because I think the only thing that's stopping it is the actual computer itself, like saying oh it's malware or something. Um, so that's pretty stupid. Anyways, pizza, go buy some Bitcoin, please. Go buy some BTC. Get it above 25. When Lambo, you have the same question, pizza. When Lambo, when we all invest in what's that project again? Is that a bad sign that they're having issues this early on? No, I don't think so. It's not like issues with it's issues with like with me. It's not them, it's me. Um, yeah, it's I'm not sure how to bypass like the you can have computer issues. Ignore and still download. You can have your computer ignore and download, still download. No, like yeah, I went past that pizza, like I downloaded it, but the issue is not actually opening it. What's my real name? My my full name. You don't want to know, it's very long. um Value menu. Why do you expect it to bypass a firewall? Let me see though, like show options. Remove, open no, open okay, open. Cannot verify the open. So let me. Oh. What did I just do? Look at that. Someone just bought $1.2 million with the Bitcoin. That's pizza. No. It's not that. It's the firewall. It's saying that it's saying Apple cannot verify who the developer is. So it might have malware. So we don't want to let you open the thing itself. That's the problem. So it just bounce up and down. Head restrictions. Oh yeah, I mean age restriction. Whoovy. What's us? Have you seen those videos? That's this is actually a name. Oh yeah, it's so stupid. Like some of those names. Mhm, mhm, mhm. It's still so issues to be expected. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, exactly. I don't know how those guys were able to like. Like now that kind of scares me too. Like if they don't want to open it, should I really be going through the? Should I really want to open it, Stuart? That's cool. Though. How to admin his way around his own laptop? I don't. I don't, Joe. And I don't, because the person asking can repeat it. Yep. Mm-mm-mm. Ooh, look at that! Look at that transaction. That's Michelle. Michelle says she doesn't want to buy, but she just FOMO 45 bitcoins, 1.2, 1.1 billion million dollars. Go to security and privacy settings and allow it. I think that's what I need to do, and then I can steal your steal your crypto. Yep, and bank details. Do you have any? Yeah, probably have a lot of details on that computer, but um, yeah. Let me see if I can. Uh, nah, nah. Oh, how come I can? Nah, 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 nah. Interesting. Okay. Finder, Google Finder. I'm what? My computer's full of rubbish. You're full of rubbish. You don't want to see his history? Yeah, my history is. Yeah, no, my history is full of rubbish. Um, 6 clicks. Don't worry, we will we'll find a way. We'll find a way. It's how is it? It's oh yeah, yeah. Nah, nah, nah. Or your antivirus. All you need to is allow your that program as a trusted app within stored browser settings. Okay, let me go. Na, 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 na. What happened to the music? What happened to the music? It just died. 90% of my history is not. Oh, see, there's a third party software. Okay, 90% of my history is stonks, and then the other 10% is crypto. uh, so there's not a. Uh, Illuvium release. That's a huge file, isn't it? Nope, that's not what I want. Okay, there we go. Uh, okay, cool. Info. Customize. Nice. Oi, oi, oi. Okay, that's just something else. To get up to at least 20%, 20%. To be exact. No, I don't search up Rihanna as much as you guys think I do. I don't. I don't search up Rihanna at all, except for when there's something happening, like the Super Bowl. That's it. That's it. Was he? Were you actually like running on a trail, Hugh? You're jogging on a trail. Hmm, nice. Na, 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 na. Very nice. Yeah, probably go to the gym at some point today. At some point today. Unknown sources might be another option in your securities tab. Maybe downloads. Yeah, I'm looking for looking for that. Look how slow those BTC orders are coming in today. Yeah, it's a holiday and like it's just slow, you know. Yeah, like Bitcoin isn't gonna go anywhere tonight, and that should be expected, honestly, right? That should be expected because it's at resistance and the market is closed, right? So it's not all of a sudden gonna like it's not gonna move on its own without a catalyst, right? So like crypto isn't going anywhere except for maybe like some of these other random projects, right? If there's specific news, but other than that, it's gonna be sideways all day today, into tomorrow, right? And then if the market, if we break about 415s, then Bitcoin is gonna destroy 25k, right? Destroy it, and to 30k we go. Pizza? No, it's not. Hey yo, Roger, load up those guns. Oh yeah, you know what I'm talking about, right? These guns. Pizza would be proud of these guns. These because we're ready to attack the enemies tomorrow. Musty attack. Mm-mm. Let's see here. Yeah, there goes Bitcoin again. Bitcoin is just range bound to the top, to the bottom, to the top, to the bottom, right? So, yep. And, so yeah, we can. Don't worry, we'll find a way to play this game. If that's tonight or another day, that should be okay too. But yeah. And again, if you're here for stonks, Mavella, there you go, perfect. If you right, so if you're here for stonks again, like the kind of the plan or the watch list has been posted in Trades Ideas, right? So yeah, so yeah, take a look at Trades Ideas. Also watching okay, Mavella and okay, sounds good. Yeah, so take a look at so the calendars there, right? So the economy calendar for the week is posted in there, like what the Fed is doing this week, FOMC minutes, right? So FOMC minutes on Wednesday, right? So Wednesday, that might be the next catalyst for Bitcoin to push, right? On Wednesday, either push or crash, right? So that might be the next catalyst there, with those minutes coming out. Right? So, what else happens? Blah 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 blah. Other than that, there really isn't a whole lot other than some Fed people talking. Right, and then the earnings calendar is also in that channel, right? Some big names reporting this week, like Coinbase, Walmart, Home Depot, Baidu, Nvidia, Lucid, Etsy, Wix, Block, Kavana, Wish, right? Beyond Meats, Nicola, Teladoc. There are a few names right on the list there. So yeah, take a look. What else? And then yeah, so TRKA will be a name we talk about a lot tomorrow, I think. And then go from there. Yeah. Okay, cool. Right. So, la 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 la. La. A little quotes, yeah. Yeah. Okay. For the inspirational beats, by the way, absolutely, you're welcome here. Yeah. No, once you get going, when you're jogging, it's yeah. I'd rather run in the heat though. Shiba is a useless goat. Yes, it is. They need to hurry up with their Shibarium. No, like I'd rather run like when like the weather is absolutely like when like when like the weather's scorching. There's something about jogging and like absolutely dripping in sweats. Oh no, here we go. Now Michelle's gonna take this to somewhere else. Here we go. Michelle, carry on. You know what? The floor is open, Stuart. The floor is open. But no, like there's something jogging and like like your t-shirt like be like dripping in sweats and like something about that. There's something motivational about that. At that point, like take away the beats, take away everything. Oh, we're going. Like we are running the legs to the floor. There's yeah, something about that. So I'd rather not be cold. Kathy Woods snatches 9.2 million Coinbase after the crypto exchange. Yeah, January. Yeah, she's been buying Coinbase, buying Tesla. I think Coinbase and Tesla. She's been buying a lot of those. What else? Sure, there's more. What is scorching? That's a good question, Joe. Like 20 to 30 degrees Celsius, which yeah, uh, 20 to Celsius for you, Joe. No, 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 no. Bitcoin looks like a nice little double bottom there, though, doesn't it? At 2027, 24, 780. But again, it's the same thing, though. Up and downs. Whatever makes you drip, Joe. What is this? Gary, where have you been? Where have you been, Gary? Where have you been? We've been here for an hour and a half, and you're just showing up now. No, Gary, we wanted to play a little bit of Illuvium, but we're having some technical issues. Wanted to test out this beta, right? So having some issues. So we were just talking about Bitcoin and whatnot. That's this week. That's this week's high for you. That's this week's high, really. Some of us have to, Gary. It's not well. It's not a holiday in the UK, so. When you say work, what do you mean, Gary? You mean you're visiting another post office to stock up on Bitcoin? Mm, 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 mm. Yeah. So. Illuvium. Nah, 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 nah. Hey, no, yeah, no. Bitcoin looks like it's kind of bouncing on that double bottom there. Little bit of a bounce. Nah, nah, nah. Oh, look at that. The hot trades coin. Come on. The hot trades token is taking the lead. Shh. Gary, what's your thinking on Bitcoin here for the going into the next week, into this week? What are you thinking? What are you thinking? Can you imagine, like, like the temperature for me is minus 11 and it's 20 it's 20 degrees for you Celsius. That's ridiculous. That's absolutely ridiculous. No, 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 no. 23s. Okay, cool. 23s. Hmm. Biden took a train from Poland to Ukraine. U.S. advisor. Biden took a train from Poland into Ukraine. So Biden is in Ukraine. We dip. Honestly, shock. We keep holding 24. I think so too. Yeah. I mean, again, so like one last recap here before we hop off soon is we've kind of talked about the last 5 daily candles here for Bitcoin. stalling at resistance, right? Obviously, 25K is a big level. It's not exactly the easiest level, and we're not going to break above that this weekend. And so when you say dip, I think dip too. And Stuart made a good point too last earlier, right? How, like, again, a bear market rally, you can have these 6 weekly candles, right? 6 weekly candles pumping there. So I mean, we've had a nice run, right? So again, SPY is sitting on resistance, Bitcoin is sitting on resistance here. So I would not be surprised if we fail at this level and then dip scheme, right? So, but again, either way, like what I'm looking at here is going to next week is if we break above again. So if we break above, you can kind of look at Nasdaq, you can look at SPY, whatever you're looking at. But I will just look at SPY for now, right? If we break above that 416, 415 level, Bitcoin will break above 25K, and then if we might be pushing, pushing, right? So if we break above, right, 416s, 415s for SPY, Bitcoin clears 25K. Oh yeah, right. There's barely resistance here, right? There's barely resistance here until we start getting close to like 29s and $30,000 for Bitcoin, right? So yeah, for now we're sitting at resistance, and we will see, right? And if we fail at this 25, our next support is 2021.6, right? So 21.6 ish, right? That previous consolidation zone right here, right? So right here, right? We consolidated here for about a week, right? you know Again, we turn that resistance. Again, this is not a brand new level, right? From resistance right there, right? From resistance into support, right? We break above that level, we come back and test that level, right? And then we go boom boom. So the question now is, do we break above this level now and go boom boom again, right? So if we fail here, then your next support is all the way back down here to 21.6, right? If we break above 2025 there, 25, yeah, we can call it 25 or 25, 25 4, right? And then yeah, you're looking for 30s, right? For 29, 30, right? For your next rally. But yeah, we'll see. It's nice to test your endurance in different environments. Keep your yeah, no, I agree here. I agree. I think like running in the cold and inhaling like the cold air. It's different. You just feel like you're constantly fighting. Like you're yeah, it's a nice test for sure. Nice test. It's a nice test. You can definitely you won't be around as long as you can in like nice weather, but Stu is always bearish. Fake bull. You know why Stewart is bearish? Because well, Stewart wants to see blood, and he wants to buy the dips. Stewart believes in crypto, that's for sure, but he wants to see the dips them. Yeah, and again, like I agree with Stewart. Like like if we ask someone that's bullish on the market here and saying, what, let's go to $50,000 for Bitcoin, right? If we ask you like, okay, what's a good reason, like give me one good reason for this bull rally, what would you say the like what's it, well, I mean, other than technicals, right? Sure, we deserve a rally, right? So we found double bottoms at 16. We've been curling really nicely. That looks like a beautiful rally, and that's cool, right? Beautiful rally, come back and retest and then go for new highs. That's beautiful, right? But again, so you look at the reasons why we crash, and you look at the reasons why we are rallying, and you can't really find very many reasons, can you? Right? Other than again saying, what, we need to rally. It's a dead cat bounce. It's a bear market rally, right? So other than that, from a fundamental point of view, like what's changed? Not a whole lot, right? Nothing but algos. Exactly, Joe. Right? Like other than that, like there's not a whole lot you can look at. Um, so. And this is why we keep saying like usually when you realize that the bottom is in, it's too late. Because the market will always be like 10 steps ahead of an actual recovery, right? So um, yeah, 60% of runs is not retail. No, no. I think if this was retail, when we bounced at the bottom there, when we bounced at the bottom, there was a lot of scary cat. There was a lot of like negative, like just like negativity in the market, right? Oh my goodness, Russia, Ukraine. Oh my goodness, economy is bad. Oh my goodness, unemployment. Oh my goodness, GDP. Oh my goodness, inflation. Right. So there's a lot of stuff like that. But yet we rallied, and we have been rallying with negative news. Right. Whenever we rally with negative news like this, there's somebody else. There's somebody else saying, what, thank you very much. Yeah. Sure, it's covering from what they think. Yeah, so I'm sure there's a lot of components there, but yeah, that's what you think we're gonna break. Yeah, yeah, we'll see, right? Um, we've been finding some strength from somewhere. I don't know where that's coming from, but yeah, another one, really, another strikes Turkey, another one, like yeah, that what's that guy again? What's his name again? Christian? Is that his name? Yeah, that's his name, right? We were watching that guy. He played at Newcastle. He played at he's played for some played in the EPL. So not that long ago. He died in the earthquake, right? So yeah, it was yeah, really sad. I was watching a video of the I think it was 2 days ago or yesterday maybe. There was a video of him like playing like, just playing with his kids and in a earthquake, gone skis, gone skis. The bottom is in, but I think we retest lower. The Fed is another rate hike. It's over. Yeah. Yeah. So Gary says the bottom is in. At this point, at this point, I don't know if I would disagree. Gary. I don't know if right. We're getting a lot of negative news, and the market is still pushing up. So what do we need to go down now in the Dutch competition team? Yeah, in a few months. Yeah. Yeah, he played Vitesse. Yeah, yeah. Very, very, very sad. Yeah, what can you do though? Honestly, what can you do? So inflation has to go lower for has one goal to crash the markets, Gary. That's the goal, to destroy the markets. I was expecting the test of 395 last week. Yeah, but then yeah, to yeah, I stick to an intraday exactly here. I agree honestly, right? So it's a lot easier to just kind of scalp the range than it is to kind of say, you know what, we'll go into this or we'll go into that. So until we break below 400 or we break above 415s 416s, it's yeah, sideways, sideways on the banks are buying in. I mean, the big money's for sure, if not retail, big monies, big monies. And you won't know till you see the balance sheet in in a month or so. Right? So Doge is going down. Yeah, Doge isn't doing a whole lot. What's Dogecoin doing here? Dogecoin. Dogecoin. Um, yeah, Doge isn't doing anything here, right? Doge had a beautiful rally, just like everything else, right? Off bottoms, he had 6 cents, and then boom, 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 all the way to 15 cents, right? That was with the whole Elon Musk and Twitter thing, right? And then it's died down since that, right? So these some of these altcoins are not going to do much until Bitcoin breaks out, right? So that's usually what happens, right? They're just going to sit flat, 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 and then as soon as Bitcoin breaks a key level, and then okay, cool, they can go for rallies, right? So I won't be expecting anything from Doge unless there's a catalyst or unless Bitcoin breaks above 25, right? For now, sideways. Yeah, sideways. Uh, to break this resistance, enough is enough. Musty wants the wall to break. Musty, not this weekend, probably. Maybe tomorrow if the S&P is pumping. right? It was so close to so close to resistance that if if SPY is pushing for like 410s, 412s, four something, Bitcoin could easily clear that resistance easily, right? So easily, easily. Hey yo, coin crypto, let's go chilling. Hey yo, and maybe taking over a lithium company. It's not a weekend. Pump it. No, well, it counts as a weekend because markets are closed. You know. Oh wow, I see what you're talking about there, Hugh. Right. So magnitude 6.3 earthquake strikes Turkey, Syria border region. Wow, 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 wow. How do you get like two? How do you get like two massive earthquakes like that, just like that? What did these people do? Yeah. What happened? What happened over there? My goodness. Earthquakes. Damn. Yeah. Right. It's crazy, and it's not the first one. How do you just get them like back to back like that? World War III? No, that's not what it is. That's not what that is. Scary. Scary business. From trains, from Russia, Ukraine to trains to Odix. It's just non-stop. Once in Turkey, you have really, or I don't think I ever have. I don't think I've ever been. Yeah, don't think I ever want to. I don't think anybody wants to, right? But yeah, imagine just sitting there and the building is like splitting into two, or like the floor is like opening and like, what do you think? Like, what do you think is happening? And like, oh my, imagine like the panic. Like the earthquake dips you get at double bottoms. I guess so, Gary. You have to get it twice. Twice equals double bottoms, and then you only go up from there, right? Shaking inside. Oh yeah, that's scary. Imagine the panic, though. Imagine the panic. Like if the floor opens, like your eyes seeing like the floor open into it split into two. Nope, 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 nope. Uh, Aftershock, yeah, Jeff, right? A few times in New York, they told me about it. Really, Robert? You're on a plane? Oh my goodness! Wow, it's crazy. Survive a double bottom and you're good, just like Bitcoin. Survive a double bottom, 16K. Now you're good, right? Gary, I'm sure you're a lot happier now that we're back to 25s ish. Because I mean, go back a few weeks at 16. That's scary, scary, scary business. And all this negativity about oh, we're going to three to tens. Anyways, in a few years back, jumping upstairs like only a 2.0. Wow, yeah. Imagine a 6.3, Jeff. Like what do you grab to hold? Yeah, exactly. Like that's scary. Well, I mean, and then you you look at some of the pictures. So that's like a map of the so that's a map of like the wow, so that's the earthquake. Damn. I mean, then you look at some of these pictures though, like I mean, like yes, I'm happy. Leave me alone. I mean, look at that. Like imagine driving on the road. Imagine driving on the road and then like look at that, and then the road just says, you know what, today we take you. Do you think of what, like you think you're gonna transform like some type of a movie or something? Look at that. Look at that car. Scary business. Oh my goodness, look at this city, guys. Look at that city. Wow. Like those buildings slammed. Scary. Should have been nah, up to 9, but they're getting arrested now and or already. Yeah, that's a thing. Yeah. Okay. Interesting. Yeah. From a to yeah, from a war to yeah. Wild. Chip says, "Why are you smiling?" Because I'm always smiling. Yeah. US or UK. Yeah. What can you do? What can you do? We are breached. Yeah. In these countries, like things like that happen all the time. Those look like nice roads, though. Those roads look better than Canadian roads, but doesn't matter. I think though, you get an earthquake of that magnitude anywhere, you get chaos, right? Build like again, like buildings or not, roads, you get chaos, chaos, chaos. Um, so 40 feet, really, James? Scary, really? Wow, wild. Yeah. Yep. Anyways, and let me see if there's anything else here that I wanted to look at. La, 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 la. And then Hong Kong. Yeah, we talked about this already, right? Outlined a plan to let retail investors trade tokens like Bitcoin, Ether, taking a major step towards its goal of becoming a crypto hub in a policy shift that contracts. Okay, cool. Blah blah blah. Yep. After they bought all the dips, they're like, "Yeah, you go. You can get in now." Anyways, link. Yeah, no, Musty was talking about this one earlier. Um, a link again looks very similar to all the other crypto charts. I'm gonna zoom out because I know it's Musty's looking at there. Again, same double bottom as Bitcoin, right? So double bottoms at 560 there. That was a beautiful double bottom, wasn't it? Right. So triple bottoms. I mean, like bottoms, 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 right? At $6.50 for link. So that would have been a really nice catch. You're talking about? Yeah, I don't know. And then again, so without zooming out too much, you can kind of see that we're failing at the same level that we're kind of failing in the same zone as Bitcoin, right? So we're waiting for Bitcoin to break up at that 25K level, for Link to break out as well, right? So we're finding resistance at $8.40 there, right? So it's not a brand new level, right? It's a supply zone there. So if I zoom out quite a bit here, so that's kind of what Musty's talking about there. He's talking about this range, right? So how we're in this little range here, right? From the top to the bottom, and there's a lot more room to the upside if we can break out above. If we can break above, if Link can break above like a 960 there, that thing could really push, right? Because there's a lot of room. Also, if Link is breaking above 960, that means Bitcoin is pushing for some key levels, and that would be impressive, right? So yeah. So in terms of like, would I look to buy this now? Mm, I would only look to buy this if it broke above the highs of the day here, right? So, right, if we're actually breaking above, so if we're actually holding above $8.30, right? We're sitting at $8 here now. I again, so if one of these daily candles here closes above $8.30, that's the only time I would look at it. Unless the reason I say that is because I know he was gonna scalp it. It's not like he was accumulating for a long term, right? So either again Bitcoin breaks above 25 and stays above that level, or this thing breaks above $8.30 and stays above that level, and then yeah, okay, right? Um, if not, well, I mean, you see the last 3 days. Last 3 days were kind of still in that same range, right? So, and yeah, yeah, no, it's I mean it's not a bad zone, especially if it's between again that nice little spot there, right? There's a lot of room to the upside if that thing can actually break above that zone, right? This reminds me of like Shiba, Musty, right? If you go back and look at the chart for Shiba, like that thing did a multi-month like consolidation period where like it would just go up and down and up and down, up and down and up and down, up and down, right? So if it can eventually break above that top range, yeah, it could really push, right? So check out the latest message in not safe for work. Or what happened? What happened? What happened? Uh, okay, cool, perfect. All right, let me take a look. Not safe for work. I don't visit that often. I don't. Uh, was that Diamond? Oh, what is your name? Oh, oh. Let me take a look. Accumulation zone. Yeah. This video is it gonna let me play it? I'll play this video at the very end because it's not gonna let me play this on without the sign. So I'll play this at the very end. So again, if we don't have any last questions here for crypto, after yesterday's no. Hey yo, Sunny, good afternoon to you as well. About momentum for ATOM, you're looking for a scalp. Yeah. Okay. Let me take a look at that. Just you, Hugh. Yeah. So that's kind of like your range there, right? And then ATOM. Um, again, so Lorena was asking about this one earlier. You're looking for scalp because of the momentum. Um, I don't know if I really see like let me take a look at the hourly because you're looking for scalp anyways, right? So it's not like you're looking for an investment play here. Either way, though, again, we do have a bit of a double top there for that scalp. That again, so $4.20 is kind of like your resistance there, Sunny, right? So unless that thing can either come back and retest here at $4 and start curling to the upside, then okay, cool, maybe. Or unless that thing breaks above that 420 level and consolidates above and looks like it's gonna push again. For now, it's way too close to resistance for me there on the hourly for me to be interested for a scalp, right? So that thing either dips again to four and holds, stays above four and starts curling, then maybe, or break above this 420 level. Doesn't not want it anymore because I talked about it. Uh, yeah. So, so that's that. Let me see if I share that video there. That's not what I want, is it? Oi. I think it's this one. So, why is my thing? What's your name?
You speak English?
Yeah, yeah.
What is your good name?
My name is Motherfucker.
Well, your name is what?
Motherfucker.
This is
Motherfucker.
this is this is that's not it. That's not the video. That's just a different video. That's just a different video. That's not the one Matthew was talking about, was it? It's not. Demonetized. That's not what I was expecting, Gary. I was expecting something nice, you know. uh, that's not it. Now YouTube is gonna come find me like, hey, thank you very much for playing a video. With anyways, Gary, I know I'm gonna have to trim. I'm gonna have to trim. I know, Michelle. I'm gonna trim it out. I can trim it out because it's not a 7-hour video. So I'm gonna trim. I'm gonna trim it out. I'm gonna trim it. Oh, anyways, guys, we're gonna leave it here for today, and I'm gonna go shovel some snow. Shovel, 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 and yeah. So, and then we'll be back tomorrow, of course. Yeah. Alrighty, guys. Joe, I know, Joe. I know. Uh, no more videos. No more videos. No videos. Alrighty, guys. Have a wonderful rest of the holiday. We'll be back tomorrow. Like a pro. Captains that actually are at their own ships. I take care. Let's go, Roger. Have a wonderful rest of the day, guys. Enjoy. Alrighty. As the other fake taxi metaverse is not. Well, it's been lovely. Let's go, Gary. Have a wonderful rest of the day. Alrighty, have some crisp and some chips. Michelle, talk to you later. Enjoy the rest of the day. Stuart, have a wonderful rest of the day. Hugh, enjoy the holiday. Nice jog. Doug, enjoy the rest of the day. Sunny, enjoy the rest of the day. Happy holidays. James, see you later. Joe, get back to work, please, and thank you. Enjoy the rest of the day. Musty, come on, keep captaining the ships, please, and thank you. Enjoy the rest of the day, Musty. Alrighty, Jeff, get back to work, please, and thank you. Come on. Enjoy, Jeff, rest of the day. And yeah, Corn, bye. Bye, guys. Laters. Laters. Peace out. Alrighty, guys. Bye, guys. Wave. Wave. The taxi was good, Gary. The taxi was good because I had no idea. I had no idea what was going on. No idea what was going on there. Alrighty, guys. Bye, guys. Who gave you permission to leave pizza? Let's go. For the day, let's go. Absolutely, Hugh. Much love. And yeah, let's go. Let's go. Yeah, absolutely, Hugh. Pizza? Please. I enjoy the rest of the day, pizza. Maybe some call later. Yeah. Sounds good. Alrighty. Bye, guys. Bye.